News now at 6. 3 children are recovering after being injured by fireworks in the airport area. Our Brian Didlake joins us now live with the latest. And Brian, what do you know?
Greg, we spoke with office and management here at New Horizon Gardens, who says this incident should have never happened. In fact, you can see down here as that Enterprise truck is headed to the entire complex. You can see down the street that the complex's officers are conducting ID checks. We know right now that Memphis Fire Department says 3 children were hurt after firing rocket cannons at one another. Officials say 1 child is in critical condition and 2 others hurt as they are now being treated at Le Bonheur. Security officers reportedly were the ones that stopped the incident from going further and treated the kids before EMS arrived, according to property management. One manager actually tells me the complex has a clause in their leasing agreement that says no fireworks on property. It's why management says there were no block parties or fireworks shows on the 4th of July. This comes as the complex's new management says they've been making efforts for the past 3 months to keep residents here safe. And coming up on the news at 10, hear how the complex has upgraded their security measures to prevent situations like this from happening. But for now, we are live here at New Horizon Gardens. Brian Didlake for your news leader, WREG, News Channel 3.
All right, Brian, thanks. We'll look for the update tonight on the news at 10.